Struggling to keep your website visitors informed about events or bookings? Adding a calendar view solves that. It makes it easy for users to track, save, and engage with important dates while helping you automate scheduling and boost engagement using SpreadSimple. Imagine you are running a yoga studio and want to create a schedule of classes directly on your website. First, go to your source website Google Sheet and create a new column. Let's name it Date and fill it with dates. Next, format the column as Date. It's very important, otherwise the system won't recognize the values and your events will not be displayed on the calendar. Now, go back to the website editor and switch on the calendar view toggle in the Content tab and select your column with formatted dates in the Date column drop-down menu. Finally, select the default view you want to display on the main page. It can either be the list of events or the calendar. Visitors can easily switch between the two views by clicking the buttons on your main page. Do not forget to save the changes. You can also show the start time for each event on your calendar. Just go to your Google Sheet, select the Date column, and change its format to Date Time. Format, number, Date Time. Once done, the calendar will display event times automatically. By default, event colors on the calendar match your primary button. To change them, go to the Content tab, Primary Button Settings. This will update both the button and calendar item colors. Building a website has never been easier. With SpreadSimple's new AI creator, just type a simple prompt and boom, your website is ready. Fast, effortless, and perfect for busy business owners. Curious how it works? Check out our AI Builder tutorial and get your website live in minutes. Loving how easy it is to build websites with SpreadSimple? Turn it into extra income. Join our affiliate program and earn 30% commission by recommending SpreadSimple to friends, followers, or clients. It's a win-win. Help others discover a powerful no-code tool and get rewarded. Affiliate link is down below. Check it out. And this is how you set up calendar view on your website created with SpreadSimple. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Have you got any questions or requests? Drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!